Knows nothing to Dad was right about everything. 5 years old, Dad knows everything. 7 years old, Dad knows a lot. 10 years old, maybe Dad doesn't know everything. 12 years old, Dad doesn't know anything. 14 years old, Dad's gone crazy. 16 years old, I can't take Dad seriously. 18 years old, what does Dad even know? 22 years old, Dad's talking nonsense. 24 years old, I know more than Dad. 26 years old, Dad seems to know some things after all. 30 years old, I think I should ask Dad about this. 40 years old, it's amazing how Dad went through all this. 45 years old, Dad's been right all along. 50 years old, if Dad were here, I could have learned so much from him. So while you still can, listen to him, appreciate him, because one day his silence will teach you more than his words ever could.